welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna just do a fun art activity. It's gloomy outside right now, so we haven't been doing much outdoor activity, but we did find these cool googly eyes in our craft box. So we're like, what can we do with them? They're so awesome. So today what you'll need is a white sheet of paper, some googly eyes. We got these from Dollar Tree, some glue, we're just using regular school glue. And then today we are using these dual tip pens that I found. Pretty cool. It's like a brush on one end and really pointy fine tip on the other end. So we'll be using this. And what we're gonna do is create monsters with the googly eyes, different shapes, different number of eyes. And so we'll get started. Okay, Paige, which eyes do you want to use for your first monster?
One eye.
One eye. So our first monster is gonna be one-eyed monster, like a cyclops. So what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of glue on the back. Get this going. Okay, and then of course you're gonna have to wait for this to dry after your art piece is done, but we could get started right away. All right, love, what color do you want your monster to be?
Let me think. Purple.
Purple! Our first monster is gonna be purple. How cool. So we should make him a boop, 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 little bubbly monster. How cool are these pens? It's like having a paintbrush in a pen.
Yeah.
Way too cool.
Yeah.
Okay, our next monster. How many eyes do we want him to have? How many eyes, love?
One big one and one little one.
One big one and one little one. How cool would that look? So let me put this one over here. Again, all you need is a little glue in the back. I wonder if a glue stick would work for this. You guys let me know if the glue sticks work for this one, but I feel like the white glue will probably work best because it's a little bit heavy. The googly eyes are.
One time we did this craft at a school.
Did you?
Yeah, but we also used this kind of glue. It worked so out glue, but it was a strong glue that kept it on the paper.
That is awesome. What color should we make this monster?
Pink.
Pink. Oh, we have so many pinks. Let's use like all three of them. Will that be cool? We're gonna use all three pinks for this monster.
And we're gonna blend it in.
We are. So for this monster, I'm gonna make his head like a heart shape right there. And then we're gonna make some toesies for him. Kind of looks like a tooth, huh?
Yeah.
And then maybe you
like
should
a
have
pretty tooth.
a pretty tooth. Let's have him have some antennas. Whoa.
Looks so pretty.
Way so cool. So let's go ahead and color him in. So I think I used this color for the top here. So we're gonna, like I said, these brushes are so cool. It's like having a paintbrush. And these eyes are.
But that already has paint on it.
Yeah, it like already has paint on it. So that's like way cool.
So that way you don't have to keep dipping it over and over and over.
That's what makes these so awesome, huh? So the googly eyes aren't quite dry yet, so they're moving a bit. But let me get around them. The color.
And if you guys didn't know, I am in first grade.
You're in kindergarten, love.
Yeah, I'm in kindergarten.
She's in kindergarten. What grade are you guys in? We'd like to know.
Comment down below.
Yeah, let us know what grade you're in. We are currently in kindergarten, which is a very super duper important year.
And we also get to read chapter books.
Ooh, you get to read chapter books? That is way too cool.
Jack and Annie stories.
Ooh, I love it. All right, let's fill in our purple guy.
Yeah, with some purple.
purple. He's like a purple-eyed monster, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, as soon as I saw these googly eyes, and we're trying to think about what fun craft to do on this gloomy, cold day, right away I was like, ooh, they kind of look like monster eyes, huh? So we're like, let's make little colorful monsters. What else could be fun is you could cut your little monsters out and maybe punch a hole in the top and then put them on a mobile.
Or you can make them as puppets.
Yeah, make them oh, that's a good idea. Put them on popsicle sticks and then like make them as puppets and do little storytelling. That is another perfect thing for a gloomy day like today, where we've been stuck inside doing indoor activities.
But first you have to make like something that looks like the moon, like outer space.
Oh, the background's outer space, so they look like outer space monsters. Oh my gosh, look at how cute they are. Let's name them. What do you want to name this one?
Pinkalicious.
Pinkalicious. Oh my gosh, I love it.
And then this will be Purplelicious.
Pink.
Alicious.
Alicious.
And then Purplelicious.
Oh my gosh, those are like perfect name for these. They're like so perfect. Let's do Purplelicious.
Yeah.
Purplelicious. Awesome. So let us know if you guys make googly eye monsters and name your monsters as well. Let us know what you guys decide to name your monster below. We'll do more fun crafts like this. Don't forget to
subscribe and hit the notification button.
Awesome. Don't forget to like and share, and we will see you guys on the next video.
And we would like you guys to share this video with your friends.
Yay! Thanks, guys.